Everything seems fine until that one day you realize nothing's in your control. Lost in the middle of nowhere, and that's where I'm starting my journey. We all have been in that situation where we are lost in a place where we don't have a return address, and it's a really tough situation to be at. Now, what will you do? You can't go back because you don't know the address. You're scared to move forward because you don't know where it leads to. You ask the same question again. Now what? So you start searching for answers and you get one conclusion from it to start from the beginning. So let me just introduce myself. I'm Nikhil and I want to create something, invent something so that I could inspire others. Join me on this journey of creating and inspiring. And the goal is to become a creator rather than a consumer. To create something in multiple domains. To create something in life. Because the only thing I believe in was, if you have nothing left to lose, you have everything to create. So, my name is Nikhil, signing in.